In this video, I will show you how you can make a simple chair in 3ds Max. Let's get started. Okay, now let's maximize the viewport and go to front and maximize it. Now from create, I select shapes and let's select line. I active AutoGrid and let's draw simple line like this. Right click, and from modifiers I go to modify, and from this arrow for lines I select vertex, select this vertex, and from W shortcut for move and enable snap. Let's move it like this, and now I select these two vertices, and from fillet I make a simple fillet like this. Okay, exit from vertex and let's select SP line. I select this SP line and let's get it outline, some outline like this. Okay, now I again back to vertex, select this vertex and move it. The same things for another one. I select it and move it like this. Okay, now I exit from vertex, P perspective, Z zoom. Now let's get some extrude by press X on keyboard and type. Okay, I need some extrude like this. Okay, and let's get it some chamfer. First, let's disable snap and raise it like this. And let's convert it to edit poly. Press X and press type edit poly. I select edges, Control A, and from T to view, I deselect this segments by press Alt on keyboard, P perspective, and let's make some chamfer. Right click, chamfer. Okay, let's add some segment and press OK. Now exit from edges, and now let's make a copy by shift and move like this by y-axis and press OK. Now from back, let's minimize the perspective and let's back to front and maximize it. From create, let's create some line like this. Okay, and right click, and from modifier I select vertex. Let's select this vertex and make some fillet like this. Okay, and from this vertex let's move it like this and select SP line. From SP line let's make some outline like this. Okay, now P perspective, Z zoom. Let's see what happened. Now I out from SP line, let's move it like this. And let's make extrude. Press X and type extrude like this. Okay, let's move like this, and okay, of course I can move this leg for chair. I control it like this. Okay, now I select this and let's convert to edit poly. Press X and type edit poly. And from edges, Control A, I select every edges. By Alt, I deselect this edges. Okay, And now let's right click and make some chamfer. Add some segments and press OK. And that's it. We have this chair. Now let's change the color to gray. And there we go. We have a simple chair. We make it by 3ds Max. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace.